Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with ClickUp Whiteboards. Review my usage experience. ClickUp Whiteboards Review My Usage Experience offers a collaborative online whiteboard integrated directly into the ClickUp project management platform. It's aimed at teams and individuals needing a visual tool for brainstorming, project planning, and collaborative work. Key features include real-time collaboration, customizable templates, the ability to embed various file types, and seamless integration with other ClickUp features. Their website provides details on pricing and plans. ClickUp positions its whiteboards as a powerful, integrated solution, emphasizing ease of use and seamless workflow within their existing ecosystem. They highlight the collaborative features and the absence of hidden fees or contracts. The technology uses a web-based interface for accessibility across devices. Availability is global, accessible via a web browser. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using ClickUp Whiteboards. Getting started was a breeze, since I already use ClickUp. Accessing the whiteboards was as simple as clicking a button. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I quickly learned to add text boxes, shapes, images, and even link tasks directly from my project. I found the real-time collaboration exceptionally smooth. Working with my team on a project plan felt natural and efficient. Performance was excellent. The board responded quickly to input, even with multiple users editing simultaneously. I had a quick question about embedding a specific file type, and their support responded within a day via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the seamless integration with other ClickUp tools, allowing me to directly link whiteboard ideas to tasks and subtasks. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app for offline use, though that's a relatively minor inconvenience given its web-based nature. It did take me a little while to get used to the advanced settings, but once I mastered them, the customization options proved invaluable. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with ClickUp Whiteboards. It's become an essential tool for my team. That's my overview of ClickUp Whiteboards. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.